Welcome, in front of me is a REALME C53, and today I will show you how we can boot this device into safe mode. So to get started, let's pull down our notifications and swipe down once again. From here you'll see your power button in the corner, so you want to click on it and then hold power off. This will then change into reboot to safe mode, which you want to confirm by selecting OK. Now when the device boots back up, it will automatically be in safe mode. So in that mode, only the pre-installed applications will function. Anything that you have installed yourself will be temporarily disabled. And once you're done with the mode, you can just simply reboot the device to leave the safe mode. And as you can see, we are now in safe mode. So, as you can see, a couple of the widgets don't seem to work in this mode. That's completely normal. And there's a bunch of apps that also don't work here, which again, if you try to open them up, it gives you this pop-up that downloaded apps are disabled in safe mode. Now, like I mentioned before, if you're done with this mode and you want to go back to normal, again, navigate to your power menu right here and select restart. The device will reboot, and once it boots back up, it will automatically go back to normal mode. So that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.